Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shivani. Thank you so much for watching my videos, sharing them, loving them, commenting on them. If you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, then now. And hit that bell icon because you guys don't want to miss out on anything. So today I'm going to talk to you guys about one of my most favorite DIY face masks. But before that, excuse my ever-changing backgrounds because till now I've not really been able to figure my background, so I'm just changing it now and then, trying to figure what looks like really better. So when I have like that, this is my background, then it's not going to change. Till then it is going to like slightly be here and there, and I know you guys don't mind. You don't. Okay. Now let me quickly jump into the video. And also the lighting is very bad today because it's so gloomy outside. It's been raining and I'm tired like waiting for the natural light because that is the light that I use. I'm just giving you my details. Okay, now quickly jumping into what I'm going to talk to you guys about today is about my besan ka uptan. Okay, this is something that I do once in a week for sure, without fail, because I've been doing it since my childhood. As far as I can remember, I've always applied this uptan, and it is so good for your skin, not just for your face but for your entire body, because besan is like it's a traditional cleanser, right? It cleans your skin, it helps you get rid of all those dirt and grimes and everything on your skin, and it also exfoliates your skin. It also has like bleaching properties, because of which you can remove the tan easily, and this also has like alkaline properties. It helps you balance the pH level of your skin, and the best thing about besan is that it helps you get rid of excess oil from your skin without really drying it. Isn't that like the great thing for somebody who has like oily skin or combination skin? At least I'm a combination skin, so for me besan really works like perfectly. And it also helps you get rid of those little unwanted hair, because when you scrub it like that, those hair, because they are like baby hair, they just come off. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you guys today is how can you make 3 kinds of different face masks depending on your skin. Like I have a combination skin, right? I have combination to oily skin. So what might suit the dry skin types might not suit me. What might suit me might not suit somebody who has like extremely oily skin or extremely dry skin. So depending on what your skin type is, you guys can try these out. Okay, so if you have like extremely dry skin, what you can do is you can take a spoon of ground oats, you can take a spoon of besan, you can take say tablespoon of honey, and you can take some gulab jal to create a paste, and then you can apply it and you can keep it for say 15 minutes, and then you can like rinse it off with lukewarm water. But before doing that, try and like do like a little scrubbing with whatever is left moist on your skin, because it just takes out all the dirt and really exfoliates your skin. So what oats really does is that while besan is really cleansing your skin, during that process oatmeal, it really helps you also moisturize your skin. Oatmeal helps you soothe your skin. So that is why for somebody who has a very dry skin, honey and oats together with besan is like a perfect face pack. Now if you have like very oily skin, what you can do is you can take 1 egg white, you can take a spoon of besan, you can take like a tablespoon of honey, and you can mix them. If you want, if it is like too thick for you guys, you can add some gulab jal to it, and then you can apply it on your face and keep it for 15 minutes. And again, like by scrubbing it off, you can take it off in like 15 minutes. And for somebody who has an oily skin, egg white really helps you. The enzymes which are present in egg whites, they really help you get rid of the excess oil. They help you unclog the pores, they really help you tighten the pores. So it's great for somebody who has like a very oily skin. Now for somebody like me who has a combination skin, what I do is, and it is like my go-to mask, okay, again I just want to add one another detail. I don't go to salons, or I don't call the beautician's home to do my facials or something. I've not done that in so many years. You know, I do my own cleanup, I do my own facial by doing some kind of cleansing twice in a week. So when I'm doing it in a like a regular basis, I don't really need to do like that full-fledged facial. You know, for me, when I say facial, I really mean these face masks only. You know, so once in a week, what I do is I definitely put this basin mask, which I'm going to tell you about, and the other days, so generally these days are Sundays and Wednesdays. So the other days what I do is I apply like a sabja seed face mask or a methi face mask, or just some egg whites, or just some honey and lemon, or just some papaya on my face. But one day in a week I must apply this basin face mask. So what I do is I take a spoon of besan, a pinch of turmeric, some honey, and then the milk to make it a paste. I mix it really well, and then I keep it aside for 10 minutes so that it, you know, comes out like really nice and thick paste, and there are no like little bumps which happens if you don't really mix it properly. What I feel is, when you can do so many things on your own, and I've been really doing this, you know, even before 2 years when I was not doing anything else for my skin, I was at least doing this thing, you know, like cleansing my skin twice in a week for sure. And basin face mask being like my holy grail, always, you know, it has always been like that. Now just apply it once in a week, and then I shine. The shine within comes from basin face mask. Cannot emphasize on that enough. Okay, come, I'll show you how to do that. You can use a brush also, like a face mask brush, but I like to use my hands because it's much easier and it really blends well. And you know what is nicer? Clean hands. So my hands are clean, really clean. Okay. Just apply it well. Look at the paste. It is formed into a nice paste. Be careful of not spilling it. Yellow. Basically, I apply it till here. I cover my entire neck area also, but because I've already taken shower, I'm not going to apply it now. But it's best if you apply it before you shower, so that you can apply it all over your body and your entire body glows. Cool. I'll let it be for 10 minutes and then I'm going to see you guys. Once you think that it has started drying out, you can start scrubbing it like this. Okay, you don't have to keep it till it's like completely dry. You can start taking off when it's still moist, like this, if you can see. I like to scrub my lips also with this. Now I'm going to wash it with like lukewarm water and then I'm going to come back. Now I'm going to follow it up with a very important step, which is applying toner. Because you have opened your pores, because you were scrubbing it, because you have applied the face mask, it's also very important to close the pores. So this is what exactly the toner does. What I also like to do is double tone my skin. I just apply the toner twice so that, you know, my skin is like really hydrated and my pores are completely shut. Just a little massage. Now I'm going to apply my serum. You know which one, don't you? Now my other serum, which is this one. You guys know this also. The lighting is so bad, so gloomy outside. Now the beautiful moisturizer. Then my eye cream. Very, very gentle. Cool. Now I'm going to complete this skincare look with my sunscreen. Done. That's it. This is what my Besan Upton does to my skin, and this is like the easiest way to like transform my skin from dull to like divine. What I mean is, like, it's like the quickest way to, you know, uplift your skin, because everything is available in your kitchen. You just have to mix them, you just have to apply, and you just have to glow. That's it. So if you guys like my video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to see you guys again very soon. You guys take care of yourselves and lots of love.